So yeah, let's see how this does with the gripper feet on the floor, because it used to slip and slide around a lot on this. So we're doing pretty good. This is a hardwood floor that it used to have a lot of problems with. Okay, so trot mode, which is the really quick, slippery, really like to slip around and slip and slide a lot. So let's try that. Here's trot mode. Let's go forward. We'll go back. Translate. Translate the other direction. So we'll do a little presentation here. Wave the hand, so lift it up so you can kind of see the and then we'll handshake.